Why, hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Xander from Fun King 3D, and you're watching Xander's Thing Thursday. This week's model is Out of This World.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey! Bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
This model is Abduction 101 by Creative Cloisters on PrussianPrinters.org. There will be a link to it in the description below. This is the light beam printed in eSun Glass Blue on the CR10S Pro with a 210 degree nozzle, a 60 degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. This part was printed in vase mode. The UFO was printed in Prussian silver on the AM8 with a 215 degree nozzle, a 60 degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. The dome was printed in Alien 3D Alien Ooze on the CR10S Pro with a 215 degree nozzle, a 60 degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. And now it's time to use some 3D gloop. Father?
Someday you'll learn how to do your own glooping.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe we'll have to talk to Andrew and Andrew about having a gloop class.
Oh, that'd be fun.
All right, so my thought on this is that really only the saucer itself needs to be glooped together.
Okay.
And we're not going to gloop it to the base, and we're not going to gloop the dome in. Mainly because I want to try to reprint that dome a little better.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to put this disc. You don't like that noise, do you?
No, I hate that.
So we're gonna put the base of the disc
that is just the worst.
on there, and then we're gonna put some glue. Now,
don't inhale it.
My my elementary school teacher used to sing this little song when we were pasting things. Something about a little dab will do ya.
Oh yeah, yeah. My teachers used to say,
Our gloop is starting to get a little cloudy. Good thing that this bottle is almost gone.
Like 1 drop is enough of the glue. That's a lie.
This is probably already too much gloop, but I'm an overdoer.
Yeah, well, yeah. Uh-huh.
And then we're just going to bring it down. Get that lined up on the beam. And we give it a little twist.
Oh god, it smells just like me.
And then put your dome on.
It is on. Boom. Yay.
There you go.
Yay. I definitely did it. So I decided to print this model at 200% because I wanted it to be huge. The print quality wasn't great. The top of the UFO's layers didn't turn out right, and I had some warping issues for the top of the UFO. But I loved the model itself, and it will be coming to Orlando Maker Faire with us this weekend. So the reason we didn't 3D gloop the dome to the UFO was because we originally printed it in vase mode, and it looks so much better. When printed in vase mode, it failed when it reached the top, so I am going to attempt to print it again. I am hoping to add lights to this in the near future for a future project, but for now, I am considering this done. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. Hey everybody, so why did the alien throw beef on the asteroid? He wanted it a little meatier.